Hey guys, what's up? It's Mark Monsiardini and I'm back. All right, so on this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 a month or more on YouTube just by uploading simple videos. I'm going to give you all the details right here. I'm actually going to show you how to make these simple videos as well. So this video is going to be jam-packed with information, okay? But before that, remember to subscribe to my channel right now because I post videos every single day that will show you how you can make money online, how to work from home, and how you can become an entrepreneur. And if you would like to learn how to make a full-time passive income right online, this is what I'm doing. If you want to make money while you sleep and while you're out on vacation, then check out the link below in the description of this video. Check it out right now. And I will share with you my most recommended opportunity right now online. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in here. So the first website we're going to go to is Social Blade. We're going to use Social Blade to kind of get an idea on how much these YouTube channels are making. I have a few YouTube channels I want to share with you. And so we're going to use Social Blade for that. And I'll show you how that works in just a moment. The first channel we're going to look at is Natural Cures, okay? This channel at the moment has about 1.8 million subscribers, and really all they do is upload simple slideshow videos with a little bit of text and then a little voiceover. They're super simple, guys. Let me give you an example on what these look like. Here we go.
Trying to lose weight. There are many things that help weight loss besides a fad diet and exercising once in a while. It needs proper planning and a lot of determination.
Okay, so we got some photos in the background, a little bit of text over the photo, and then a little audio narration, okay? Now, let me go back over to the channel real quick. What I'm going to do is select the name of the channel, and then I'm going to copy that into memory, and then I'll come over here to Social Blade, and then I'll make sure that this is set to YouTube, and then I'll just paste the name right in here, and then press enter. Okay, so here's it. It's going to give me a list of different channels. It's the first one right here. I'll go ahead and select that. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see all the daily subscribers and views that this channel is getting. But it's going to give you kind of like the estimated yearly earnings. Okay, so there's a pretty large gap here. It says $22,000 all the way up to $365,000. So you can probably bet that it's going to be somewhere in the middle, okay? And I've talked to other YouTubers and they say it's actually higher than the average. So what we're going to do here is just grab a calculator real quick, and I'm going to put in here 22,000, and I'm going to add 365,000, and then what I'll do is click on equals. That's 387,000. And I'll divide that by 2, and that equals 193,000. Now, if I divide that by 12, that means they're probably making somewhere around $16,000 a month on YouTube, just from AdSense, okay? So let's check out another one here. So here's another one, Wonderful Life. This has a little bit less subscribers, 465,000 subscribers. Very simple slideshowy type
New
videos.
Toothpaste can remove wrinkles forever. You must be thinking that I have accidentally typed skin instead of typing tooth. In fact, we all know the benefits of...
Okay, they've got a little logo up here on the top left. It sounds like they're even using like a computer voice or like text to speech or something like that. Might not even be a real person. It sounds a little bit robotic, but...
using toothpaste for our tooth, choosing the toothpaste.
You know, they're basically just zooming in and out of this toothpaste, guys. And look how many views this has. Almost 5 million views. Okay, so do you see the potential here? All right, let me go ahead and show you. Let's go back and just kind of get a rough estimate on how much money they are probably making. So I'll go right up here into YouTube search box. I'll go ahead and type in Wonderful Life, press enter. And looks like it's this second one right here. Okay, so 22,300 up to, between $22,000 and $359,000. So it's probably somewhere around $190,000 per year. Okay, so about $15,000 per month. So that is super powerful, guys. And these are just simple slideshow videos. And here's another one I wanted to show you right here. Article Factory. Really all they do is they upload videos. They just kind of like automatically scroll through this article, and then they have this like text-to-speech computer voice read the article. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like.
Regularly, you need to examine your diet plan to see if you consume excessive sugar. Carb/sugar cravings.
Okay, so if you saw something like this on YouTube, you probably wouldn't think anything of it, or it's just an article about, some remedy or whatever. But guys, 2 million views. Okay, now you're probably wondering, well, where do you get this information? Guys, it's all over the place. If you type in baking soda remedy or apple cider vinegar remedy or something like that on Google, you're going to come up with all these articles, and what you guys can do is just gather information or put your own angle on it. Or what you could also do is use some of that information and then just credit the author. Or you can go to ezinearticles.com and they can actually they'll let you use the articles on that website only if you give credit back to the original author. That's it, guys. That's all you have to do. So I'm going to show you. So what happened is that I got inspired by this. So I went out and I looked for ways that I could actually do this myself. So here is an online video editor that you guys can use. It's called Animatron. If you go to animatron.com, you're going to see a couple choices here. There's going to be wave.video. Go ahead and click on that. And that's going to take you over to this page right here where you guys can sign up for free. Okay, I think you can just use your Google account, or you can even use your Facebook account. Make a free account. They have a paid plan, okay? But just so you guys can really get an idea on how easy this is, let me go over here. I'm going to click right up here where it says Create Project. Okay, then I'm going to come down here where it says Business. And let's just scroll through a couple here. Okay, so here's one. I've already made a video, so what I'm going to do is just click on this right here. I'm going to just hover and click on the little play button. That's going to open up into this page right here. I can just go ahead and view the stock video. Okay, now, but I want to customize this for my video. So what I'll do is I'll click on Customize this template. Okay, so here's the editor. It loads right up in the browser for me, and so I can go ahead and play that back. Let's go ahead and click on the play button there. Okay, and if I want to change the text, I can do that. I can just double click on the text and I can paste or add any type of title or whatever I want to do. I can change the photos. I can do everything right on this platform. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to leave the text and everything. We're going to leave the text there. And just going to turn down the volume a little bit on my computer. And there's already an audio track right here. I'm going to go ahead and just delete that. And then what I'll do is go over to add music, and I'm going to go to uploads, and I've made a little voiceover for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, hover that right over, drop that in, and here it goes. It's uploading right now. Great. I'll hover my mouse over that.
Top 5 best celebrations across the U.S. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And
okay, cool. So that's working good. I'll go ahead and click on add. And now add it right to the timeline right here. So let's go ahead and play this back and see what it sounds like.
Top 5 best celebrations across the U.S. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, annual boat parade. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 6 days of festivals starting June 29th. William.
Okay, so you get the idea. And then what I've done is I can't really make 2 tracks. So I added my voiceover. I just talked in the microphone and I had some text. I just read the text on the slideshow and I just talked into the microphone just like I'm doing right now. And then, so what I did after this point is I came down here to where it says publish. And then I clicked on download video. So I downloaded the video and then I uploaded the video to YouTube. And then what I did from there is I chose one of the audio tracks from the YouTube music library. And then now I've got the music in the background. So I uploaded the video, everything is processed, and it looks something like this.
Top 5 best celebrations across the U.S. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, annual boat parade. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 6 days of festivals starting June 29th. Williamsburg, Virginia, celebration in the most authentic colonial atmosphere. Nashville, Tennessee, a day full of live music. Boston, the largest 4th of July festival in the United States.
Okay, it's pretty simple, guys. All right.
Top 5 best.
And so I can come out with my own travel channel or something like that if I want to, but this is just a, I can make like a clickbaity title. It says weekend getaway ideas for Independence Day. Probably more, it's, more seasonal, but this is just to give you an example. You can make a slideshow on just about anything using the wave.video editor, okay? So the other ways that you guys can do this, I have iMovie here installed on my Mac. So the way that I would create a slideshow using iMovie would be to import photos. So let's just say for this example, I was going to do like some home remedies that you can do using sea salt, okay? And then so I would import those photos and then I would just select them all like this. And then I would just drag those, all of those down here onto the timeline. Now, what's really cool with iMovie is that actually applies all the photo effects and all the transitions for you, so you don't have to do that. It kind of uses what they call the Ken Burns effect. And so it automatically applies that to the photos. And so I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll go ahead and play that back. So there, all the zooming in and out and all the motion and everything is already being applied. So I don't have to do any of that. So what I can do at this point is just grab some copyright-free music and I can just drag that below here. And let's go ahead and play that back. Okay, and if we want to add some text, I'll go over here to titles. And then I'll double click on this one right here that says pull focus, which I really like. So I'll select one of these images here. I'll select this one right here, and then I'll double click on pull focus, and that'll just blur out the background so the text is more visible. And then what I have over here is a little text pad with a little bit of information about softening body scrub. And then I'll just go ahead and just select that text and go ahead and paste that in. So there you go. And I think while we're at it here, why don't we go ahead and do a live narration or a live voiceover right over this slide here. So I'll go ahead and extend that. And, or we just go ahead and kind of get an example on what that looks like. There we go. I'll extend that slide a little bit. Let's go ahead and look at that. Cool. So then what I'll do is I'll just mark the, I'll put the timeline transport bar right there, and then I'll click on audio. Looks like it's already clicked. If I don't have that clicked, I'll just click on the little microphone icon right there. And then it'll give me a little red circle here to click on to start recording audio. So here we go. Softening body scrub. Salt is a gentle, natural exfoliate that sloughs off dead skin, and it also has minerals to soften skin and restore hydration. Cool, so once I'm done with that, what I'll do is just stop that recording and then let's go back and I'll play it. Softening body scrub. Salt is a gentle, natural exfoliate that sloughs off dead skin, and it also has minerals to soften skin and restore hydration. Okay, guys, you see how easy this is? I could just do this and my video doesn't really have to be that long, maybe like 3 or 4 minutes long. And what I would do was just paste different portions of an article on each slide and then hit a record button and just speak whatever text it is, and then just keep going and then render it, upload it to YouTube. It's that simple. Now, if you're on Windows, here's another, go to this website here, wondershare.com. They have some photo or video editing software. It's called Filmora. And you guys can do titles and different slideshows and different things. They have tutorials. This is available for the Mac and Windows. So if you don't have iMovie or something like that, I think iMovie is free on the Mac. If I remember, I think it was installed on my computer when I got it. But so even if you have Windows, you guys can install and start using this software. You can use it. They have a free trial, I think, and then you can buy it for more features and things like that. But go ahead and check it out. It's over at wondershare.com. The software is called Filmora. And they have a monthly subscription. They also have a quarterly subscription that you guys can use if you're, if you're pretty serious about this. But guys, if you're doing like videos, a couple videos every single day, it's going to be totally worth it. Okay. So there you go, guys. I hope this was helpful for you and this inspires you. Another really cool website to check out too is Brightside. This website is just, if you guys want some really, really good information, check out Brightside on YouTube. Just go ahead and search for it. 14 million subscribers. Lots of really good clickbaity thumbnails and titles that you guys can use for getting inspiration, okay? So if you found some value on this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And if you guys want more videos about making money online, working from home, and becoming an entrepreneur, well, subscribe now and I will send you an update whenever I come out with a new video. And if you would like to learn how to make a full-time passive income right online, this is what I'm doing. If you guys want to make money while you sleep and while you're away from the computer, while you're traveling, then check out the link below in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. That's it for today. You guys make it an awesome day and we will see you on the next video. Peace out.